Client cache.
Let's use client cache as a working title.
Client cache.
And you can get started on this.
I will send out an email on what, and or what parameters for that will be.
Please send out a summary with
I'll
the,
take all the ones that are like.
get rid of everything that's bullshit.
Okay.
Yeah, it's an order of execution.
I like that cover.
We're gonna have a client cache and we'll send those.
You're live on YouTube right now. Hey, we're on YouTube live right now, David.
YouTube live.
We're live on YouTube. What are we doing right now?
Design meeting, MVC caching. We're doing MVC caching.
Is this a secret? Is this a secret that I'm showing?
This is the source code for MVC5.
This is our secret open source code.
It's the secret open source code.
Very smart the screen.
Actually, this might not be open source. I think this a long time ago. So it might be. Well, I don't know.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to go and give the people.
2013.
This is the community stand-up. I'm giving the people a tour.
We're all mostly sitting down.
Hi, community.
It's time for the community.
All right, so this is building 44. Where are we?
Hey, we are in the Project K / Signal Art corner of the office.
Project K. Project K.
Oh, yeah, sorry, ASP.NET version 6, guys,
Version 5.
and MVC version 6. Sorry for my misspeaking. Was not prepared to have.
I know.
the
We were not
webcam come up.
expecting to have people coming live to bother you from YouTube.
How many people are watching right now?
Right now, one.
Oh, okay, that makes me feel better.
Yeah, so that's okay. They just showed up, so don't worry about it.
Cool.
I'm just giving people a tour. It seems very quiet here because it's the holiday.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi. We're saying hi to people online. This is the ASP.NET community stand-up. Don't worry, nobody watches it. We're checking out your workspace. We're doing a Google Hangout. But this is a stand-up desk that you're sitting very, very low at.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, everyone else stands up at their desk. You're chilling. You're chilling. This is Damian Edwards' desk. He's not here, so I can mess around with his desk. Because this is where Damian does his work. He has spent more money on monitors than is appropriate. And this is basically a stand-up desk with like a up-down thing. Where it's got like a. We're going to adjust it by a few inches. That way, when he gets back, he won't know what's wrong. He's got 3 monitors and a touchscreen. It's pretty ridiculous. You stand. Why does everyone stand at their desk? No one watches this. Don't worry. Why does everyone stand at their desk?
Because our shows aren't actually that good.
Seriously, that's exactly why. Everyone. It's healthier to
They
stand.
say that. I don't believe that.
They, the people.
They call off the name. I see. You do have to say that. What are the cool things?
Some people, these people sit at their desks. This Australian sits at his desk. He's too lazy to stand. You all sit. You're pretty relaxed. Yeah, you're lucky that you're even sitting up. You're probably lying down. Let's go see what's over here. Hey, what's up? We're on the YouTube. Oh, runs away. What's going on over here? Team City. We've got a Team City build server here. And we've got filters and backlog items on the big screen here. Somewhere around here, there's a Super Smash Brothers that someone will show me. Let's go find my boss. I think it's over here. Ah, this is where the Nintendo games are. When you're at Microsoft at Building 44, go see the Nintendo games. A 3 Xbox 360 and Xbox One. And what are these? Oh wow, Wii wireless chargers. All of this was paid for with their own money though, so don't worry. It's not your tax dollars at work. Let's go find Scott Hunter. This is the least exciting of the community stand-ups. But I'll also show you where to get free soda. Hey, look, Stan Ross.
Hi.
We're walking down the hallway doing a community stand-up where we are actually standing.
Oh, awesome.
And no one's here.
How many?
Two.
Hi.
Both of you. I think the two people, one of them may be, so it may only be one
That's
person.
all right. That's all right.
Here's where the
That's
free
fun stuff.
Here's where the free soda is. Are you here for the soda? No? Probably not. Hey, how are you? Hey, look, we're on YouTube. I'm getting free soda. Yeah, after this. Would you like 3 o'clock? And I'll be in for you the whole day.
3 o'clock.
Okay, go dude. I just made a meeting at Microsoft. My first meeting. Very exciting. Well, it's not my first meeting, but it's a meeting. That's cool. So now I've got free soda. This episode of Community Stand Up brought to you by Coke Zero. See if we can find some kind of meeting. There's like 4 people watching. It's pretty exciting.
That's like quadruple the number you had before.
Ooh, let's go look at this.
Makes me feel a little bit better, but they just had some bad bills.
Do they have anything? Does this one include proxies?
Oh wow, look at that. I actually want to see. Sorry.
I don't think I have anything to show you because people are. No one's here to talk to me.
I'll talk to you.
What's going on? What are you working on?
I am fixing some data protection tests that are failing on the CI machine.
The CI machine. And for which version is it?
This is ASP.5.
That's which one? Oh, the new one.
The new one, yeah.
I did the whole 5, 6 thing.
Oh, yeah.
PC6, Ethernet 5.
VNext 5K, I don't know what it's called anymore. I went on vacation for a week and then I came back and everything had a new one. So,
Yeah, and it'll be changed again, I'm sure.
probably.
Uh-huh.
I'm sure I'll go home and come back tomorrow and everything will be. Maybe I'll report up to a new manager. Maybe Microsoft as a whole will change its name.
And do you stand at this desk all day and write code, or do you sit down much?
Normally, I'm either standing at this desk or standing in the other room doing security reviews.
Really? So it's mostly standing. You're not much considered.
Around half and half, maybe.
And you're running Windows 10, so you're on the Windows 10 technical preview like I am. Are you finding it to be helpful? Nice and stable? Does what you need it to do? I've got it running on one of my machines.
It's and actually I've been having a little bit of trouble with it on my home machine because there's a bug. It doesn't run on the new what is it? The new Haswell E processor.
Oh, you get the latest thing?
Yeah. So it crashes every time I try to run 9879.
Oh, that's a bummer.
Yeah,
That's
so
the one I have. Well, it'll be done
It'll
soon.
be fixed. I
Thanks, Beta.
gave the Windows team a memory dump, so everything will be good.
See, like a good
Like a good
citizen.
employee.
Good citizen.
Yep.
Where's Hunter?
Hunter was here earlier today. I don't know where he is now.
You gotta find one of the station meeting rooms.
Focus rooms?
Well, normally he's in there.
I'm trying to make compelling television and it's not happening.
Well, how many people are subscribed right now?
4.
And please tell me the stream
Are you not entertained?
It's going to YouTube. No one cares though.
So is this like the
Let's try again. Can you stream us right now? Go to my Twitter.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can watch us watching ourselves.
That would be
See if
exciting.
The world explodes. Look right there.
Oh, I see a bit of a life.
Oh, you do.
Okay. This will be our 5th viewer. Disappointing.
I see it very clearly.
This is not starting.
This is not starting.
I blame Safari. That's the problem.
It's Chrome though.
You're on it.
Probably still
Meeting,
Safari's
that would
fault.
be more entertaining.
Is it a meeting I should interrupt? What kind of meeting is it?
Yeah, I would interrupt it. In your position?
Yeah, in my position.
Totally that. Why would you
That's why I'm sort of raising the lead generation.
Why would it
Well,
be
I think the middleware.
Well, I mean, having the middleware means it's bad, right?
Well, you still need to be careful.
Yeah.
Probably the only one working on
The middle is a little bit.
So you kind of like map.
The same could be said of routing. The same could be said as route.
That was more generic.
Right?
You send the request method in the form and the form.
I don't even know if
Well, that's what, you're the one who doesn't like to speak there. It's not your shot, you kind of.
In a lot of cases, you guys.
What wouldn't do it?
A lot of people.
Magically using what looks like a file extension.
That's the whole format.
Oh, the formatter thing for Web
Yeah.
API?
So instead of requiring any set settings.
That's not instead of, that's in addition to, like, it's an option.
Yeah.
It's an option, and it's an option that Rails started, and we should do it too.
Okay.
All right, settled.
Thanks, Scott. As always,
It's the reason it's very,
adding value to.
oh, ouch. No, I mean, it's just very convenient to go .json instead of moving that sliver.
In the browser, yeah. Yeah.
Well, that is neat.
It is, it's nice.
Yeah, to be able to go and type .pdf.
Assuming we agree with this is Nifty, and we agree that we have 18 minutes, how should it?
Static files,
Static file?
so static files, I give you the finger for the extension. We're fine with that, right? Round fire, like, you know that if you have an XML file and it's not on this, I have to just give you the middle finger. By default, until you turn round fire on. So it goes into your
For those listening on the
internet.
YouTube, Ramfar is just short for run all managed modules for all requests.
It's recommended that we alternate off.
Call it round fire.
There's been long recommended.
call it
that you can-
Ramfar.
I think I wrote an article about not running Ramfar.
You did. Good luck.
Yes, and now you're saying we should alternate back on?
No, just saying that this won't work on IIS by default.
This thing that you're
Kind of
designing.
big deal.
Yeah, well, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Well, who has a solution to that?
Please, IIS.
We'll add a web config to the project template.
We have to add
They have it always off.
I think we usually use that one. We get Levi. Levi.
What is this meeting called that we're in? Did you say triage?
Yeah.
No,
Design
the
meeting.
design meeting.
Oh, and we're all deleting emails.
We're getting the
My machine was locked. I couldn't possibly use it. That's what I wanted to.
film Levi coming in.
URL extension design.
We'll add Levi's entrance music to the video later.
This is live. So like this awesome feature that we're adding for putting the extension on the URL.
Levi, go to makeup first. Come back.
Yeah, we need to play.
I need to apply some more.
You are blushing.
So scroll up. So to the URL, you want to add the extension to request for the upper format. This won't work on I from the round first turned on, right?
Yeah, come in. Well,
So we have it on by default and all the rest of stuff.
no, you go.
And what happens-
On that website.
Yeah. And what happens in the native module? The new native module.
It's
Same thing, right?
Same thing.
There's no round far though.
Ramfar is an IS setting. It's not a system web setting. Ramfar absolutely still applies
But
to
it
every
means-
application in IS.
But are we managed,
We respect
what
that.
counts as managed modules? Are you, you're running that
But are
Do you read it?
anything that ever runs there?
IS version of that?
You just go to
Basically, on it.
How does the native
How does it know
module
that you're, how does
understand?
it know that you're managed?
Yeah.
It knows that.
That's ghetto.
Because I told them I'm loading the CLR.
Managed to mean July.
Don't.
What if you wrote a
If I
Java
don't
module?
tell it I'm loading the CLR, then I don't have an opportunity to ever load the CLR.
Interesting. You not load it and then load it.
When you say
No,
I, speaking on behalf of what?
So it's already had.
What module now?
I actually shrink
Sticky
myself
notes?
down and go into all of your different computers.
Yeah.
I personally load it. With my own manpower.
So these buys the
You are, Helio.
Because that operates all of
That's kind of a dirty hack though.
I mean, you could. Why not just have people set it in config?
If you want this option, you would just.
No, you could. You literally add web. You add web config because
Big
you're
deal.
running it
Yeah.
IIS, so you probably already have.
Yeah,
a config
don't
file.
have one.
System web server.
I'm confused.
Modules for all requests equals true.
Why are you guys arguing about this? This is not a big deal. If you want that feature, which is obscure and some percentage of people will want
Which
it,
is on by
turn it
default.
on.
We'll show it in our blog post and then you'll blog
It's
about
not
it.
on by
You'll
default.
blog about it. So, oh,
This
awesome
is-
new feature. And
if
it'll work
you
in
follow-
Southwell and it won't work in IS.
If and only if you fall into the scenario, then you do the thing that enables the scenario.
We have a bill, I don't have a thousand, yeah.
Did you hear what pragmatic Levi just said?
No.
He said, if you want this obscure scenario, then turn on this thing.
Wow.
And scenario.
Well, the problem is having something that looks like a file extension is not obscure. Wow, I'm like.
No, it
this
is.
particular
It is. As long as it's off by default.
It's not by default.
Opt-in. Rampar's off by default.
Ramfire, so it's not off, this feature's on by default, but Ramfire is just.
I think that
You need to
feature,
make
that should, oh, hang on, you lost me,
You
hang on.
You
You
told
totally-
me
assume that's what we're doing.
It's good enough, but it's fine if you want.
Yeah, I agree with her.
Why would it be
You-
off by default?
hang on. Cool feature, yes. Great feature, yes. On by default and requires Ramfire? No. Off by default, off by default. You want it
You made it
opt-in.
run in Castro and it works in
Dude,
fine.
problem
On
solved.
a map.
Then you absolutely know what server you're running on.
Can we move on to the
Okay.
design of the features so we can try to?
Because on by default, but it's working IS. On by default, it's working IS.
Like,
On by
I mean,
default, it's working IS.
is this?
I don't feel that strongly about it.
Is this in a template?
I mean, this feature, the feature's on by default.
Yeah, but it is, what template, what file new project, what template includes there?
On by default, it's on.
So we're talking about this.
If one of your sections are entering that XML.
Not- not-
No.
This feature is quoted in the default, or feature, you gotta, it hasn't happened to work in.
Okay, what about changing,
It's hard to find what-
change the IIS error,
All
in the scenario that
We'll
you
run through
express,
this,
hey,
but-
turn on
No,
Ramfire.
we can't do that because we can't this.
Okay.
Exactly.
Then why not just in the template include config that has that?
And then comment it out. Yeah, and then say you want extension with whatever,
That's doable.
stick it in there and comment it out.
The reason
It's discoverable though.
the reason Ramfire is off by default is because it's a huge performance.
Well, yeah.
Do you guys want to, have back
Both
for
of you that are
a
watching this, how important is it when you're using a web API to be able to type in food.xml, .json, .wcf, or PDF, or whatever kind of thing you want? Basically, a
We should
PDF.
have a PDF formatter.
That'd be cool.
That's
We could
a
totally do
very
that.
leading way to phrase that,
JPEG
because you can
format.
still do it, you just need to add a line to your config function to make it work.
Like, for your tax report.
I don't think it needs to be on by default.
We have actually moved things like.
I'll go to chat.
I'm sure I'll just, if you do that HTML PDF.
Nobody
You
cares.
can do it, dude.
I'm not right now.
You can, I can convert it to
I
a
know,
Word
Word.
document. I'm gonna run a browser in process, hidden,
But you have a
GDI,
format
capture
of
the
those
screen,
kinds
and then I'm gonna
of
create an image and paste it into a Word document.
Okay, so you do run a template.
Like, we
We're
have
gonna have a
to
word
make our
format.
boundaries HTML, but you have a rating template.
Okay.
So, it's not really not very good.
Then, okay, let's get back to.
Alright.
one of the features.
No, thank you.
We can always decide if it is.
Leave, Levi, you're no longer required.
But but promise us you're not gonna go to the other side of the YouTube video.
And ask questions.
And start like putting in feature requests as a customer.
No, I don't do that. I don't make features.
You don't know the URL, right?
Well, it's because I don't want to make more work for myself. That's why.
Well, you could quickly make less work for yourself.
Well, I already delete every single issue you sign.
10 minutes to decide how this works. Actually.
11.
So shit comes in, it goes out.
I swear on YouTube.
Stuff goes in, stuff comes out.
So it becomes format. Format, right?
You're on a 5-second delay.
No, I'm afraid it's not.
The end of the
Oh,
URL.
gotcha.
So the question is, if this is a routing feature, so accepting the file essentially is a routing feature.
Yeah.
So it's something that users have to put in all around. You have to do routing.
That's how it was in the old days.
So the one-
You're
That's the
doing
option.
yourself.
That's the option. That's the option.
Are we gonna do that?
I think it's good.
Is it magic or is it?
How would you do it without the intro?
You decide if you want to extension on your or not. And if you don't,
It's optional. You want to use it.
I see.
You want to say, I want to go
People think it's optional.
hanselman.com/contacts. And if I put in an accept,
Which is at the end, like, so it's very similar format.
it's an option. What I'm saying is contacts. If I say contacts at one dot,
Yeah.
The issue I ran into with that is if you do convenient format of account as option, so you can't do down XML because it's your route dot com.
Yeah, what we're after is,
So we talked about the,
Yeah, I don't think it's something that's on all the time. I don't think you take any URI in the site, and so you say, so I can put that on.
That's the idea.
Yeah, that is the idea. That is the whole point.
No, not for like, you don't go to like the homepage. You
No,
don't have
for
the
any,
homepage
for
of
any
the
web API controller, right?
No, you choose like that, whether you enter like /35 or /35. You make
No, I would say that
You generally
that's,
support both.
you support both. You never support
The
just
ones
one.
where you support an extension, you generally also support none.
Well, and then one of the ones is like a rating,
The extension one is always optional.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The restful thing to do is the accept type,
In these things, this will also work.
right? And then you're also gonna want to support content
That will
disposition,
also work. This will give you the default one.
right?
That's Connig and then.
And this will also work.
Yes, exactly.
That's what I'm talking
And
about.
this will also work.
That's,
Yep,
why is that
you're
right?
One.
That's how it's done. You don't like it, why?
Well, Rails was mentioned earlier, like Rails.
Yeah, these are all optional. The point is that the restful way is here. Let's get the people involved.
I don't think you turn on .xml and
This
I think it's from Rails.
products.get/1 respects accept type. .xml overrides accept type. Exactly. Yeah, and then of course you also want an option somewhere for content disposition so that you can have a file name downloaded if it says PDF or a PNG or something.
Yeah, we can't have two codes that are segmented.
So what you do is you put in XML pipe, PDF pipe.
We've
CSV.
gotten to the point where we need to design a feature, because as Alon pointed out correctly, you can't do this.
Right.
We don't allow you to do it.
Why not?
Because you can't have two parameters next to each other without a separator.
Yeah, put a dot there.
But then.
And then the dot is not
Then the dot is
optional.
required.
Make it optional, dot question mark.
So that's, like I said, this is the part where we need a feature.
Cancel in once again.
That's the hard.
Didn't you say dot question mark before?
I would be aware.
Put it between the curly braces.
Write a regular expression.
And then just, and then just understanding of that is that,
Can I tell you the implementation I have?
Doable, but that's
So
not
one-
always
You've done it
required.
already? Oh, well, she's already written it then.
So one option is to have the
Designing something you've already
extension,
written.
one option is to have the
No,
dot
I
be
see
special,
the algorithm.
and where we see dot as a separator, we say it's always optional, it's separator, and dot is special. The other option is to have some kind of syntax and say,
Okay.
you know, let's say hashtag whatever inside the parameter says, this prefix is an optional prefix, if this thing is here, the prefix needs to be here. I love designing complicated things.
because you have like ID and the ID is.
So-
Value, that's true.
So slash is special.
Slash is special.
So the
between
It's
them.
always been
Flashes and
You're
dots are
right.
functionally equivalent.
Right.
He's pointing out,
Everything's optional after them and
The
it's not
route
present.
should be controlled on addition, and then that's not
If you just give
But-
default value of HTML or XML.
But it could be API slash product.
It's so crazy. It's so
it could
crazy.
be API slash product
Well,
slash.
it's very tailored.
Pointing out the trailing slash. is
So it can be how many default, but
So the
it's.
trailing
And because
period is
this-
optional. So you'd imply that the period is optional by third that's optional.
And then it's just the route value, and then the only other thing that we need to change, here's the other problem you run into. I'll tell you the other problem that you run into. The other problem that you run into is ambient value invalidation in routes. Everybody's like, what is ambient value invalidation in routes? Well, I'll tell you what it is.
Well, we only have 6 minutes.
Oh, yeah, I wanted to hear it. She'd already written it, so why are we looking at that?
Because there's another problem that we
I didn't know what I
solve that she knows we need to fix. The problem with ambient value invalidation in routes is that anytime you change a route value between the values that came in and the values that you're using to generate a link, everything to the right is considered invalid and cannot be used by that. So if you link to, let's say you're on home, products, whatever, product 5, and you want to link to home by 5, you must re-specify 5 because everything to the right is invalid. So if you want to use this guy to link to somewhere else, you have to re-specify the extension everywhere that you generate a link, because it doesn't have ambient behavior. And everybody seems happy with it?
That's fine, but it's kind of weird to keep
But do we agree to do the?
Treat format, especially in all this format too.
That's the way.
Sorry?
Do we agree on the extension to be?
That's where we are right now, so let's keep going with this and see if we complete the picture and then.
You prefer to keep everything that is not in place.
Doesn't invalidate based on the order of the tokens and the
Yes, order of the tokens in the outgoing route from left to right, which is kind of a flaw.
The outgoing route, not the incoming. The outgoing route. So you can have like a dozen routes that have like
Different order, yeah.
This thing,
Some of them invalidate and some of them don't.
Yep.
Because the idea is they're pretty good at new, I mean,
Maybe you generally
Right
don't
away.
do that with conventional routes, the hierarchy of your site is one way or the other, and not both. If you wrote routes that reverse the order of the hierarchy of your URL paths, you would experience this, and the workaround would be to specify everything. Which is crappy.
But that's pretty obscure that someone would do that.
Yeah.
It's obscure.
So
because-
they lose.
Exactly, you typically have one hierarchy for
Standardize the name and do it simply in that.
Yeah, keep
Word
format.
Is it format or is it?
Format.
So that was a design meeting. A lot of arguing and interrupting is what happened at the design meeting.
Yeah.
I can't find my boss anywhere. So I will give you a view out the door as the final goodbye here on the 8th at Community Stand Up, where 8 of you watched.